Hello everyone! Today I will be sharing a very powerful exercise that will not only improve your mental health, but will also dramatically increase your well-being and your life expectancy. Did you know that there are fluids in our spinal cord that require regular circulation in order for our health to stay in good condition? Well, very few of us even know this fact, let alone implement an actual tool that will allow us to optimize the circulation of these fluids in our spinal cord, which is a very important part of our body. And in this information age that we are in today, most of our daily activities, such as our jobs or our studies, our business, etc., revolve around being seated in a chair for long periods of time. An average person actually sits for about 10 hours in a normal day. And though it is difficult to avoid sitting down in this era, researchers have found that when we sit down for such long periods of time continuously, we are increasing our chances of getting chronic illnesses, such as heart disease and blood pressure. We are also decreasing our overall life expectancy, and then we have more chances of obesity, which is very detrimental to our mental health. I learned about this when I was taking my training with Sanya Alam, and during the training, she not only gave me the awareness, but also taught me how to reverse all of these negative effects of constantly being seated for long periods of time by teaching me a simple exercise that only takes a few seconds to do. This technique is called back tapping, and it is one of the many effective and science-based techniques that you are given during Sanya Alam's courses. And this technique not only circulates the vital fluids in your spinal cord, which is very beneficial for your brain and body, but it also greatly increases your life expectancy, your overall health, your performance, and productivity. Let's learn the technique. Start by folding your hands into soft fists. Now, bend forward slightly and gently tap the lower part of your back. Continue doing this for a few seconds. I know that when you're working for a deadline or when you have an upcoming exam, it can be tempting to not get up from your desk at all and remain seated for hours. But doing that is damaging your brain and body, and it is causing you to be restless, which is hindering your ability to focus and be productive. So for the health of your brain and body, get up from your work or studies after every chunk of 45 minutes and do this exercise for a few seconds. And when you do get up, take a 5-minute break to refresh yourself, have some water, have a healthy snack, and then get back to your work. Implementing this exercise in my daily routine improved my brain and body's performance and allowed me to give my best in everything that I do. When you make small changes like this, like adding this exercise in your daily routine, it adds up and it dramatically increases your mental and physical health. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful for you, then you can also look at this video right here, in which I share a very important tool that we can use if we want to store any information into a long-term memory effectively. And for more brain tips, please subscribe. Thank you.